So here I am in Twitter and I'm going to participate in a Twitter chat, and for anyone who's never participated, I'm hoping this is going to be a useful little video. First thing I need to do is to search on the hashtag. So we go down to the bottom and we do a search, and if I go up to the top I'm going to type in up here hashtag LDInsight. So forgive me for the dodgy camera work. Hashtag LD, and you'll notice that it's already coming in, so I'll just tap on that. LDInsight. So this gives me a screen which is full of the top tweets to do with that hashtag. What I want to find actually is the latest one, but also I want to look for what this week's question is. Now, this week's question is always going to come from a Twitter handle, which is L&D Connect. If you see here, somebody's already responded to L&D Connect, so I'm just going to click on that. And if I look at tweets and replies, here it is. It says, this week's LDInsight question: how do you decide that a career in L&D or OD was for you? So if I click on this tweet, I'm going to then respond to it. And there are already some answers there that I can have a look at. So we can see that Piers Ansell has said, only after I've been doing it for quite some time, just not under that name. Tony Jackson's replied. I'm going to respond to this as well. So I'm going to click on that, which is to tweet my reply. And I'm going to type my response in, which is, I applied for a role as an IT trainer by chance. So you can see I've got some spelling mistakes there. I've just got to... Okay, so that's my response. To be able to take part in the Twitter chat, all I need to do is to add in the hashtag right at the end. So hashtag LD, I wonder if it's coming up there, LD Insight. Okay, so I'm going to choose that one. So there it is, my tweet is all set to go. All right, so I'm going to reply. So how do you find other responses then? Again, dead easy, just going to go into the search, and because I've already used LDInsight, and then I can do a search on that. And what I'm going to do is have a look at the top questions first of all. The top answers was from Paul Humphreys. So that means that somebody has liked it or responded to it. So Paul's saying that he can't wait to hear everyone else's stories. Then there's Ed Griffin, purely by chance. If I want to find the latest ones, I click on latest. So that's the Dan Hewitt, that's the latest one. I got trained to deliver an Institute of FCF Customer Service. And you can see all the latest ones. They are in order. And somewhere down there, you'll see my response as well. So this is in order. If you do it via latest, you can find the tweets in order, so you can see mine. Now, if somebody happens to like it or respond to something, then I will see that in that area there. I'll see where that little bell is, I'll see that there's a response. Somebody has liked something or responded to it. But I'm going to look at one of the tweets and perhaps respond to that. I'm going to ask Ed, how long ago was that? So I can respond to Ed's answer. And I must remember to put in the hashtag. So LD Insight. And of course I've got to choose that one. Yeah. And return. So reply. So that's how I reply to somebody. Hopefully that has been useful.